Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Furqan Blazis.
And my name is Arko.
We are from 9th grade, especially 9A, and today we have a project to make a podcast about what is the theme, Arko?
About why is free education is better than free food.
Okay, but before we go into the material, we're gonna ask first to Arko. Arko, what do you think? Which is better, free food or free school for now in 2025?
And now, because seeing the education right now in Indonesia, many people is starting to, I could say, becoming not smart again. They don't have, uh, they can't go to school because they don't have money. And instead, why we choose free education than free food? Because if free food, it will probably only last for a day. Meanwhile, a free education can last you forever. So, if you get a free education, you will get and can get more free food, more food.
Okay, that was a very good opening, Arko. And do you have any more comments on free school, like benefits and the other?
The benefits of free school is that not only the rich people who can go to school, but instead poor people that actually have a smart brain and actually can really needed a free school can also get school.
Okay, thank you, Arko, for your opinion. Let's just now slides into our presentation here. The first is, which last is longer, free meals or free mindset?
As I said before, a free meal will probably only last for a few days, but a mindset will last forever. And uh, it was really important because uh, meanwhile food is only temporary and also education is can last forever.
Okay, that was very good opinion, but I have different things that I have to share with you guys. That is, I think free food maybe can last longer because for in here there for the educations we can still search, but without food we cannot live life. And if someone get an education without like a breakfast or morning routines, like eating breakfast, showers and the others, I think he will not focus and cannot catch all the materials 100%. Do you think it was better, or yeah, there is something that you have to say again to break my words?
Yeah, but food is more easier to find. Meanwhile, education is actually kind of hard. And while yes, food is very important for education, but education probably worth more than food too.
But in Maslow theory, food and all basics needs in humans is stands the bottom or the most basics that we need for living. So, and education have higher grades around 3 or 4 in up. It's mean we need more food than educations.
Yeah, but as I also say again, that it's actually very easy to find food. I mean, like you can plan some things, and meanwhile, food is very important, but education is also important, like that.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Here comes the next. Should we feed people or teach them how to feed themselves?
Yeah, this is as I said before too. Should we feed people or teach them how to feed themselves? If we just give people what they needed, and we always give them what they needed, they won't search for what they needed. It's like that. So we should teach them how to feed themselves because if if they don't receive help again, they couldn't feed themselves.
That's a very good answer. Maybe for this point, I would agree to Arcos side here, but I still want to make the free food makes more things. That's how many slides?
So wait, opening question.
Next is how can free education reduce poverty? Poverty.
So as you can see, poverty is actually so many in Indonesia. But if you uh, take an example of another country that actually have a better education, poverty is less than Indonesia. So, what do I mean here is that by giving people free education, they can work better and not just getting trash and like that.
That's a very good point. We're gonna go to the next slides. It is can online education replace traditional schooling?
Now, this is actually one of very important question, but actually, online education will not replace, but it will help because traditional schooling is actually very important because sometimes you need to do practice on real things, like if you need to do something that needs a teacher to talk to. Meanwhile, in online education, it will probably giving you some tips and tricks and giving you things to memorize. But aside from that, online education is also very important, like Ruang Guru and Duolingo and something like that.
Okay, maybe for this point, I have to say something. For this point, from based on my experience, I think it's better to have the traditional schooling where we go to the school and we'll uh, take all the lessons, all the material in there. Because why? Uh, from now on, Indonesia have so many gadgets, games, and all. As you know, the SDM in Indonesia is a kind of low, so it have not conducive. Like, have you seen how we have an online schooling when COVID-19
Yeah.
appeared? Yes, that is one of the point. Like, so many students have higher grades because of AIs and other things that was invented in 2020 and so on. Now Indonesia, I think, have a better chance to make a great SDM or higher SDM with traditional schooling, but there is a case where someone need more education, but he cannot afford to go to one place or the other places. So I think for this one I will keep the traditional schooling, but for the online schooling I think I will just keep it in a case so I can make sure that all people have some needs. But the main point that I want to say is, I think traditional schooling is better.
Yeah, traditional schooling is actually better too. But uh, if you if there is some case that people need more education and the stuff that they need to learn isn't in traditional schooling. Example, if you want to learn coding, but your school there is no coding stuff.
Yes.
So that is also one of big plus for online education is that there is so many things that you can learn uh, aside from the traditional school.
Yes. For that I agree. Okay, we gonna goes for the last point. That is the what's stopping education from being free today.
There's actually so many problems, especially in Indonesia, because as you can see here, in Indonesia, the people that need free food is that stopping education from being free is actually the people itself, because we know the money sometimes doesn't go to the right place, so they use it for things that wasn't right, and all of the money is gone, and now we cannot afford free education for people right now.
What a very good answer, Arko. For this one, I agree about Arko's opinion, but I have some notes because of things that was going on. I think because there is so many homeless people in Indonesia. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why is the low people that was speaking the presidents today because of because of they need food and yeah, like that, they need some materials to live. Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right.